Hi, welcome back. So we are at the outline to discuss a few extra features on working with NumPy package. Now we're going to discuss something called broadcasting, and it is a mechanism that allows NumPy to perform operations on arrays of different shapes. Now let's take an example here, 1 and 2 as an array, NumPy array, multiplied by this value. It's exactly as creating another array with the same length, make a normal multiplication as we have seen earlier. Mathematically speaking, this is as if I am multiplying a vector by a scalar. The same thing could be right as well for 2-dimension or even a tensor. So if I would have run the same operation, you will get the result back as expected. Next thing, maybe we want to talk about something related to some advanced array operations, which you should be much more familiar with by now. We got 3 rows by 4 columns. Now, if we want, for example, to make some operation on this, such as if I would like to take this speed of minimum, so what's the minimum value in here, you'll get the result as expected, or even the sum of all the values. Also, maybe since I have B in a form of a matrix, we could actually work on the same by extracting minimum and maximum, defining axes. So let's try to put the axis equal to 0. And I want you to watch carefully. The returning result is this. So basically what happened here by column wise, basically it's returning just the first row. Now if we put the axis into 1, it's going to work actually row wise. It means it's going to look row by row and getting the result back. So as you expect here, we got 3 values corresponding to 3 rows. If I would like to start now to reach the certain element inside, since I'm working with 2 dimensions array, so the comma, it makes sense where the first is correspond to the row and the second correspond to the column. For example, if I would like to return first index row with the second index column, this is 0, this is 1. Now I know I am in the right row. Then this is the first column, this is 0 column, 1 column and 2 columns. So I should get back the result of 0.17. And that's exactly what we have got in here. So the next thing maybe we want to talk about is about generating random numbers. And I believe that the use of random numbers generation is an important part of configuration and evaluation of many numerical and machine learning algorithms. Built-in function can help you with that. And one of them in particular, random modules. There is a class called the default range. Now from here, I could use now the RNG to start to generate different values and numbers for me, some integers, and then you decide how many integers, what is the size if you like. So it's going to get me back matrix with random numbers with size of 2 by 4, all of which are random. So next, maybe we will be looking at how to get unique items and counts from a matrices. So you get an array and there are some repetitive values within it. I would like actually to return only unique values in that array. In this case, I would reach to the np.unique function, which require you to pass which NumPy array you're looking for. You will get all the unique values inside this array. Also, maybe you are interested to get the indices of this. We're gonna here get the unique value and then the unique also index. And then we're gonna get NumPy.unique a, one more argument, and that is to return for us the index. So we get the unique value of 1, its index is 0, unique value of 2, index is 1, and so on and so forth. And next, we're going to be looking at transposing and reshaping matrices. I will see you then.